I just want to give a quick shout out to iHeartGameDev. I've personally been struggling to learn about state machines. There have been tutorials in the past about state machines, but it wasn't until last night when I sat down and watched his video from 2 months ago, and not only was I able to follow along, I was able to transfer what I learnt in his scripts into my own project to make them more relevant in what I needed. The game I'm making, Coco Loco, is basically a serving game in a hot chocolate shop. I mean, coffee would make more sense, but I think hot chocolate's pretty cool. Or hot, you know. And so, while character controllers and pause menus and implementing packages from the Unity Asset Store are pretty easy to follow, and things like raycasting and such I've all learnt in my university degree, but when it comes to things like state machines, no video tutorial and no friend or forum has been able to explain to me clearly enough how they work and what each script does that makes it a state machine. Now, he also has another tutorial which I am certainly going to check out, which goes into the more advanced hierarchical state machines, but I just thought I'd give him a quick shout out. If you want to learn how to make games, then I would probably follow this guy, because with the way that he's going, if I'm being completely honest, even this early on, I think he's going to be the new Brackeys. I mean, there, I said it. Anyways, this coming week, thanks to iHeartGameDev, I'm going to have a more fleshed out NPC state machine system with some AI for pathfinding, and we'll see, maybe I'll make a few 3D models and we can go through that as well. Also, my mug from Teespring finally came in the mail. Everything is quite delicious when had from this cup. And so I suggest, if you want to support me and you haven't already, then please head down to the link in the description and buy my mug. Anyways, I'll see you all next week.